cooking chicken pot pie. Y'all, these are the ingredients that we have minus the pomegranate. So we have yellow onion, bell pepper, chicken breast already cut in slices. We have some Bisquick baking mix. For our seasoning for our chicken, we're using Kickin' Chicken Seasoning by Weber. And then we have 3 of these pans and 3 cans of mixed vegetables, as well as 2 cans of family size cream chicken. Okay. Over here we just have 2 pots. One is empty and then one is has some water that we're gonna boil.
Candy, what are you doing?
So I'm just cleaning this chicken and then I'm gonna put it in the pot so it can boil and cook. What we're gonna do is take out the middle, bell pepper. Told him it's not really sharp enough, but I guess it is. So I'm just cutting up the bell pepper and then I'm gonna let Jacquez cut up the onion because onions are making me cry. And surprisingly, they don't make him cry. So I'm gonna let him do that. I don't know why it's overfilled like this, but we added the bell peppers, the onions, as well as chicken and seasoning to our pot. Y'all, our haul doesn't have a can opener, so Jacquez is using a knife. Very sharp knife that I told
Don't
you.
do this at home, kids. Not
Right,
safe.
do not use this. Do not do this at home. Just invest in a can opener, unlike us. But it's pretty effective.
It's just making me so anxious.
And now we're just we poured out the chicken so that the chicken can cool, so it makes it easier for it to shred.
The chicken breast, and now we're just adding our cream of chicken and mixing it together, which I can't really do that and record. But yeah. And then this is just our vegetables, which I think we're gonna add next. Maybe. So these are the vegetables. We added a little bit of cream of chicken to the vegetables. We're gonna let these cook. And then our chicken is still cooking. Now we're gonna make the crust. We are measuring out 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix. We're adding 1 cup of milk to the 2 cups of Bisquick mix. And then I believe we're gonna add 2 eggs. So we added 2 eggs to our mix. And now we're going to just whisk it together with our whisk that we have here. So now y'all, I'm just whisking together all of our dry and wet mix. Our dry mix was just our Bisquick, and our wet mix was the milk as well as the eggs. So I'm just creating our crust for our pot pie. Do y'all call it chicken pot pie or pot pie?
Chicken pot pie.
I wonder if people like up north or farther down south call it something else. But I just call it pot pie, and people usually know what I'm talking about. But this is actually vegetable pot pie. So yeah. Where does sugar go? Just in here. Also, we added some more Bisquick because the consistency was not where we wanted it to be. We wanted it to be a little bit thicker, so as you can see, it's a little bit harder for me to turn and whisk. But I'm trying to make sure we get all, my grandma calls them baby lumps. Get all the baby lumps out of our mix. First, we just pour it into the pan and then level it out and spread it a thin layer all around the pan. And we did one completed one back here, and then we're gonna do this one. The chicken breast, and now we're just adding our our cream of chicken and mixing it together, which I can't really do that in record. But yeah. And then this is just our vegetables, which I think we're gonna add next. Maybe. So this is the thin layer, and then the cream of chicken and the chicken. And then babe is just adding some vegetables on top.
Oop.
Okay, so we're just putting the top layer of the pot pie. This is the one that's already pretty much done. And then the back one back here still has to get crusted. Just putting in our